Welcome back to the Survival Gardener Minute. I'm David the Good. I am in my new office. This is actually the only place I can get really amazing 4G connection, so there you go. Anyhow, today's question is about fertilizing trees. I did a video some months back called The Trick to Make Fruit Trees Bear Quickly, and I got a comment the other day from Urako1 saying, "I'm confused. I always heard that you shouldn't over-fertilize trees." Now, in the video, what I'm talking about with getting fruit trees to bear quickly is you feed them and you water them regularly. So you take care of your baby trees well and they will bear much faster than if you don't take care of them well. I'm not talking about over-fertilizing, but consistency of fertilizer and water makes all the difference in the world. And one of the best ways you can make sure that a new fruit tree will bear quickly is to mulch it well and feed it with lots of compost. So if you add compost and mulch, particularly that tree company mulch that's getting shredded by the sides of the road, that stuff has a whole bunch of different materials in it. Chopping and dropping is another way to do this. But what happens is that material rots down, it keeps the roots cool, it controls the moisture levels in the soil, and it's also constantly feeding it a small amount of nutrition all the time. So you may have some 10-10-10 or something that you throw around it. You're like, I'm gonna give it a good boost. That's fine if you wanna do that. But what I have found is that mulch and compost and some of Dave's fetid swamp water poured around the base of those trees, along with regular water, makes fruit trees bear really quickly, way faster than you might think. I have seen trees grow like double the size in a year because they were getting a little trickle of water every day and consistent fertility. So no, don't over fertilize, that will burn and kill your trees, but fertilize and water consistently. The consistency is what makes them grow quickly, and having a ready drip of nutrients right in the root zone, right where they need it. So thank you for the question, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and coming soon, my new book, Florida Survival Gardening, so stay tuned for that, my Florida watchers. God bless you guys, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.